This is my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. I don't wear wigs. This is my hair. This is my hair.
Guys, so the first hair that I'm going to be putting on is this one, and it's in the color 613, and her name is Jordan Curl. So this is Jordan Curl, and it's a SR2 going into a 613. So took it out of the package, and I love this color. These hairs are extremely reasonable. Oh, and look at how it's packaged. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I'm not used to hairs like these, so forgive me if I seem like I'm being too rough. Okay, I'm going to keep the net though, because I want to put it back in the net when I'm not using it. Put the net over there. Wow, this is nice. Oh, so on the inside this has like curl classification. Then I guess how the hair looks. I guess I have it in black and brown, but I got mine in the blonde of a blonde, honey. So let's just put this on. That sounds like daddy, Jono. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so this wig is going to take a lot of tweaking. First of all, it feels, oh my gosh, that looks so funny. Alright, oh my god, I'm not using myself in this color. You guys, I look so funny. Oh my god, I don't like how this looks. I look weird. Alright, let's just see what the other wig looks like without the pack, shall we? Because I'm not liking how that one is looking. Maybe this one will give me some kind of hope. And the same packaging they have, right? Right, the brown. Saving the net, as I said, you guys, I can store it in Latour. I cannot take myself seriously. I look so weird. Okay, let me see what I can do to tweak these wigs. You know, we have some people that wear their hair just like this. I'm like, nigga, ain't you got no sense of style? Okay, the lace feels very, very, very plasticky. It's darn near plastic. You see how the inside is? Just like a regular wig. You have the adjustable part here, then you have the tag back there and the wig combs. But this part is very plasticky. Alright, so this is me just showing you guys the wig. In the next clip, hopefully I'll be showing you guys how I slay this wig, alright? Hopefully, because it looks so funny. I'm of course going to come with the curls. This is going to be bigger, and it looks, look at it, it comes layered already now. You see that, guys? Like, it comes layered already, so it comes already cut in layers. Let me see that with the other one. And this is my favorite one, believe it or not, you know, this white one. Jonathan. Same thing for this. The lace feels a little bit plasticky. Let's see. Yeah, it comes layered as well. Alright, so I got these two wigs, and let's see what can be done. And they're curly wigs. Let's see how I can transform these two wigs, alright? But this one I can tell is going to be my favorite. I can tell already. Alright, you guys, this is for this part of the video. Next time you see me, I'll have the wigs on. And hopefully slay in your life. In my life. Yeah. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Them have it, it's like them area for cannot have your hair blending with it.
Yeah.
It can't start it. And it's supposed to be lace front, so it start at the front.
And lace out. But you see when it start look kinky already,
yeah,
so?
when you tease it. You can wear that tonight.
No, so that I forgot to take a while for straighten out all of them kinks, yeah. Coming on the curly parts too. Oh, this is so cute.
It's cute, yeah. No, your face beat, you know. Maybe if you did try it on another day, let's say, what is this? So we can say for now, say you make it look good.
So I keep the hair in the net. And you guys saw when I tried this on, but I recognize that when I put it on that this wig goes to the side. It's not a center wig at all, it goes to the side. Oh no, I have to tighten it. Alright, hopefully I can tighten it without Chantel being here, because okay, here we go. Alright, so here we go. Alrighty then. Well, wow, okay, so let me just say I chose these colors, and I chose this one specifically because I want to do like a Nicki Minaj inspired look. I know she does a lot of these color hairs, but I do not know how I feel about this blonde. I don't think I'll ever wear this just in like my videos. I don't know how I feel about it. Alright, so separate and apart from the color, let's talk about the hair itself. So there's lace hair. It's lace. It's a lace wig. It's a little bit thick at the root, and the root is darkened, but as you can see, the root is only darkened to a certain point. It's not darkened all the way around. It's just darkened to the length of, it's like a closure somewhat. The back is adjustable because I adjusted it for it to fit. I kind of like it like, ooh, okay. Alright, tell me what you guys think in the comment about this one. Okay, as I'm wearing it now, I'm like excuse me, as I'm wearing it in the comments, I mean in the video, I'm like, okay, I can see this, like I can see this. Okay, right. And what I love about these curly hairs is that they come layered, and they come beautifully layered. They're not botched layered. They come really nicely layered. See that? Really nicely layered. Of course I could like snip some more or whatever, but it comes layered. And as I said, this is a center, a side part, because if you look at where the part is, and look how much hair is over here, so I couldn't put it in the center because then one side would be too dark, you understand? So this is where the part is, so it's a side part. Of course I can make it into a center part if I want to. I just go down the middle. Let me see how it would look as a center part. Let me see. Okay, but you see there's like tracks. They're like tracks here, so it's really a center part. It's not even, I mean, it's really a side part. It's not a center part because they're like tracks there. But I think I like it for the center part, right? It's very it's very that. Alright, let's see. So this hair is synthetic, it's not human hair at all. Put it back to the side. Alright, so yeah, so it's synthetic, not human hair, and I don't mind it being at the side because I have a lot of center part wigs. Anyway, straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, kinky hair, they're always center parts, and I always bring them center, but it's not bad. This is not bad at all. Alright, Divatress, I see you. Okay, let me ask my Snapchat fam what they think. Alright, Snapchat fam, what do you guys think about this one? Same company from the curly hair, and these are wigs that I chose, by the way. I chose them, but what do you think about this blonde one? Alright, Snapchat fam, what do you guys think about this one? Alright guys, so all in all, my experience with Divatress hair is, I'm grateful that I have no, I'm not just reviewing like virgin hair, which I don't mind reviewing, but a lot of times, you know, people just want some good hair, but they don't want to necessarily invest in that amount of you know, that amount of money in hair. And recently I've been doing a lot of AliExpress hair reviews as well, again speaking to affordability. Now synthetic wig is the most affordable one that you can get that looks good. Now that the brown kinky one, that one for me is bae. This one I'm like I would wear it in like my YouTube videos, like I'm seeing this in my YouTube videos, I'm a little bit hesitant to wear it out, just as I was hesitant to wear the other hair out, the curly one from the same company. I was hesitant to wear it out because I've never done a color like that before, and because it's synthetic, I wasn't sure how it was going to translate, and I just felt a little bit, I just felt really insecure about it. So the good thing is my hair is like blonde, so yeah, okay. So yeah, so I am really grateful for Divatress, and I will be working with them for an extended period. Hopefully they don't run out of inventory, which I don't think that's possible, honey. But I will be working with them for an extended period, just to bring you guys some variety and some level of affordability when it comes to your hair, and also just saving a buck. And I was watching a video, and this may go down a dark road, but I was watching a video of a fitness YouTuber. I just found her recently. I've just watched probably 2 or 3 videos of her, and she was, you know, telling her story, and she basically had cancer, and she had said that she had to shave off her head. Now, I am not taking for granted that I have hair, and I'm not taking for granted that I have health. But what I do appreciate are companies like this, like wig companies, that can give people who are otherwise struggling, that can make them feel pretty or beautiful or gorgeous, you know what I mean? Because for women, most of us women, our hair is our strength. Even when we cut it off, we still cut it off and style it. We don't cut it off and leave it as is, because we take pride in our hair. So I really truly appreciate Divatress for reaching out to me, and I'm even more grateful that I accepted, because a lot of synthetic hair companies have reached out to me, and I've said no, I'm not going to review. And I have been a little bit pious and say I only do, you know, virgin hairs. Do you have any, at least synthetic? Do you have any Remy, anything at all? It's just, that's all you have? I don't think I'll be able to do that, you know what I mean? So I'm grateful that I even said yes to Divatress, because this is a level of affordability that works. This is a level of affordability that works, and that's good hair. Now, this is synthetic hair, but listen to the movement on it. And that's why, where's the thing, the net? And that's why I keep the net as well, because it's curly hair, so it will get frizzy and stuff. So I keep it in the net to maintain the curls. Now, I don't know how to care for synthetic hair. That's something I have to read upon, watch videos on and stuff like that. And that's something I would urge you to do as well when you do purchase. I will leave a link in the description bar for you guys to purchase. And also yeah, and if I have any discount code or anything like that, or a coupon code, I'll also leave that in the description bar for you. So these are the 2 wigs that I got, and I'll have the names and stuff for you guys in the description bar as well. But these are the 2. Oh, this is cute over like this. So these are the 2 wigs that I got, and I am feeling this one. Alright, I'm feeling it, feeling the fantasy. So that's it for this Divatress review introduction. Love it. I've been wearing the other one like crazy. Absolutely in love with this one, and I'm not expecting anything less from this style that I'm currently wearing. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I'm gonna take some picture on my Snapchat because I'm feeling this. Ooh, yo, there's a hair though. Yes, this is nice. Okay, I'm feeling this like comb over thing here, like this thing here. I'm feeling it. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.